होकस पोकस एब्राकैडब्रा गिली गिली फू, मेरे पॉकेट का पैसा अब बढ़ जा तू. इज इट पॉसिबल? काश ये पॉसिबल होता. इफ इट becomes real. But no, this is impossible. And here the word impossible is really impossible. It is not I am possible. Money will not increase according to our wish. Whenever we want, we increase. We cannot. Yes or no? Agreed? So good evening. Welcome to Students Accuracy and Devansh's class. Today, as you can see, we are going to discuss about consumer's equilibrium. And in that consumer's equilibrium part 2, we are going to discuss about indifference curve. So, you must watch this video and listen to me from very beginning to the end. Otherwise, you're going to miss. You won't be able to understand the whole thing of consumer's equilibrium, students. So, let's go back to our previous topic, that money to be increased according to our wish. So, we could have been richer than the richest. Yes or no? That is not possible, and that is why so much problem. So the thing is that because we don't have infinite money in our pocket, being a consumer, our target is to consume at the most, the maximum from the limited amount of money in our pocket, isn't it? Don't you like this? Don't you want to have such feelings in you that whatever money you have, you want to consume the most of all whatever within your reach? And the point arises, within your reach, how do you decide that this is within your reach? On the basis of the availability of the money you have. So now, in our previous video, I discussed about a single commodity consumer's equilibrium. So we are going to have discussions on two commodities now. Two commodities means out of so much availability, according to our limit, we would choose any of the two items. As usual, like before in the previous video, we were talking about Pani Puri. Same thing, we are going to take same topic, same Pani Puri again. Now you can understand how fond of Pani Puri I am, how much fond of it. So, anyways, Pani Puri, and one more thing I am fond of, that is eclairs. Don't you? Yes, I know you also. The thing is that according to the money available with me, I have chosen two items. One, Pani Puri, and the other one, eclairs. Clear, students? You also assume that you are also having these two choices. Pani Puri, eclairs. Now the question is, how much of Pani Puri shall I have, and or how much of eclairs, and or. There's an importance of this. Why I said and? My target would be to spend my full money and to get the maximum satisfaction either from one commodity, Pani Puri, or from the other commodity, eclairs, or from both the commodities together. I would be spending my fullest to get the satisfaction out of these two or any one of them up to the fullest satisfaction. So here we are going to discuss about indifference curve, the curve that discusses, that defines, that explains us how to decide which commodity to consume more and which commodity to consume less, and on the basis of that where to stop. Okay, that is why this indifference curve is very important to us for understanding consumers equilibrium. Means this is indifference curve approach. So before we discuss about the consumers equilibrium in indifference curve approach, we must understand indifference curve. So see here, two items I have taken, two commodities I have taken. This is y-axis, eclairs, and this x-axis, pani puri. Okay, students? Now see, if assume, means here one assumption is there that we are spending the full resource whatever we are having. Okay, out of that spending the full resource, we will attain the full satisfaction out of these two commodities. These are the assumptions. Now see, I am consuming, with my availability, I am consuming 16 eclairs. Along with that, one plate of pani puri, you see. 16 eclairs, one plate of pani puri. I will have both. First I will have 16 eclairs, then one plate of pani puri, or first I will finish one plate of pani puri, then 16 eclairs, or one plate of pani puri. Before that I will take 8 eclairs. After some the pani puris I will have. This is the eclairs. This will be our man-to-man variation. So here my main point is to understand 16 eclairs, one pani puri. Like this, two plates of pani puri, 11 eclairs. Like this, the combinations are A, B, C, D, E, as we can see in the schedule here. In combination A, we are having one plate of pani puri, along with that 16 eclairs. Okay. Now, I may also try 2 plates of pani puris. In that case, would you be able to have 16? No. Why? Because you have limited resource, limited money in your pocket. So you can spend these options as per the price of pani puri and eclairs and the money available with you. You are making these combinations on the basis of the money available with you and the price of these commodities. So you are, according to these parameters, you are deciding if I can take one plate of pani puri, then I can take maximum 16 eclairs. And in that case, I want to increase one more plate of pani puri, then I'll have to forego 5 eclairs. I want to increase another plate, then I will have to forego another 4 eclairs. Like this, if you keep on increasing the plates of pani puris here, you will have to, or increasing the plates of pani puri, decreasing the eclairs, because as I told you have limited money. Or you cannot say hocus pocus abracadabra gili gili poo, mere pocket ka paisa बढ़ जा तू. It will not happen. So out of my limited resource, if I increase this side will decrease, or vice versa. If I increase this will decrease. If you are increasing, you are decreasing. Clear or not? On the basis of that, the combinations are plotted on the graph, and these combinations, when they are joined, a curve is formed, and such curves are called as indifference curve. Because the consumer is showing his indifference on both the commodities. The consumer likes both the commodities equally. He is indifferent. He is not different. He is indifferent on both the items. But kya kare? Money is limited. So therefore, now he has to make his choice, make his combinations according to his availability, because he knows the price of both the commodities. He cannot make anything unlimited because he doesn't have any unlimited amount of money available with him. So the combinations are joined and a curve is formed, is called as indifference curve. Now here you will see one special thing is happening here. So when he is consuming one pani puri, he is consuming 16 eclairs. This is one of the combinations. Next combination he goes, he increases one plate of pani puri. Naturally, neither he has the supply of money nor his urge will be there, because his hunger will be already met by 2 plates of pani puri. He won't be able to have 16 eclairs now. Automatically he would reduce his number of eclairs, because satisfaction would definitely reduce. His utility would definitely reduce from eclairs, because he has already increased 1 plate of pani puri. Understood? So here you will see, as because he has increased 1 plate of pani puri, he reduces the eclairs, number of eclairs. Simultaneously, another plate of pani puri is increased. He again decreases the number of eclairs. Like this, see the total 1 plus 16 is 17. This is the substitution. He substitutes from this combination to this combination, this combination to this combination. These are the substitute combinations, and the substitute combination is, see, constantly decreasing. This is therefore called as law of diminishing marginal rate of substitution. It's called as the decreasing marginal rate of substitution. And because of this indifference curve IC is convex to the point of origin. If such question comes in your exam, explain why the indifference curve is convex in shape to the point of origin. You will definitely say IC is convex to the point of origin because of the law of diminishing marginal rate of substitution. And what is marginal rate of substitution? This I have shown here. Means 1 unit of one product is increased, then from the other product something has to be reduced, because number 1, utility is not the same. Number 2, availability of the resource, that is the money with you, is limited. So automatically it keeps on decreasing, and for this the IC curve is convex to the point of origin. Clear now, students? Now indifference curve, indifference map. See students, when more than one indifference curves are drawn, IC1, IC2, IC3, different ICs, means indifference curves are shown on the map, means on the graph. Such graphs are called as indifference maps. Means when multiple ICs are shown in the single graph, then such graphs are called as indifference map. Now the higher you go, suppose you are on IC1. And in case of IC1, if you from IC1 you shift on to IC2, means see you are from you're staying at this point only. You are not changing your point, but from here you are moving this here. So you are keeping this Y product constant, and keeping Y product constant. If you move on to this, you were initially in this IC, you were at M point. Now when you are keeping Y constant, want to increase this means M, in that case you come to this point. Means your satisfaction increases. So sir, here also same thing is happening. Yes, this IC is chosen IC. After we have gone through as a consumer, after I have gone through my indifference map, I have chosen this IC. On this IC, then this combinations are lying. Am I clear? So IC will be chosen from the map. Which IC? Suppose this one is IC2. I chose this IC2. This is according to my capacity, according to my utility. I may feel that I will keep this number of utility from this point in Y commodity, and I will stick to n number of products. So in that case, this may be IC2. To you, to X, this may be the IC. So IC will be here. To me, this may be the IC. I may be here. Am I clear? So indifference map shows us which IC I am going to choose. Next, do the IC curves intersect? Means, do the indifference curves intersect with each other? Here also, the question is negative. Why? This never happens. Why? Because suppose if I consume one, I told this IC is the chosen IC. According to me, this is the ultimate combinations. These combinations are going to give me the maximum utility, maximum satisfaction. So to me, I feel if I have one plate of pani puri, I can have maximum 16 eclairs. In that case, it may be 17 to you. It may be 19 to you. According to your utility, according to your choice, according to your availability of resource. But to me, I have chosen this. And these are the various combinations. If I increase one plate, this number of eclairs to me. If I choose another, increase another plate, this number of eclairs to me. Am I clear? From here, I have chosen because my tendency is always to stay at the maximum level. After selecting the maximum level, I will put my curve here. Clear? Now, I have put this. Now, here what I see, that this combination and this combination, do you think would give me the say? If the 17 utils I am getting, and would it be same if I increase one plate of pani puri and I take 2 eclairs? What I will find? I have underutilized my utility, underutilized my resources. Still, I could have some more eclairs, as because I have taken only 2 pani puris and 2 eclairs. Still I have got some money left with me. Still I have somewhere some urge to have more pani puris, because there were 5 pani puris here, 5 plates of pani puris here and 2 eclairs. So I am underutilizing and I am undersatisfied myself. So this combination will never match with this combination. These are all unique combinations. They will never match with each other, and hence there will be no intersection of IC curves. Am I clear, students? I think you have understood about the indifference curves in consumer's equilibrium part 2. This is very important to understand about the next part which we are going to discuss in the next video. So go through this. If you have any kind of problem, my phone number is to the left of your screen at the bottom. You can call me in the evening hours. We can discuss. And if you have any kind of problem, if you want to send me any pictures of your problem, ring me. I'll give you my WhatsApp number. You will send me the pictures and I'll solve your problems and I'll send the picture of the solution to you. Okay, students? Please share this video with your friends. Let your friends also learn. And don't forget to subscribe this video and like this video if you have liked it. Okay, students? Goodbye. Stay tuned for the next video, Consumer's Equilibrium Part 3.